provide them with a sewing machine. We also have a beauty parlor training centers where we train them for beauty parlors, sir, for ladies. We provide them with a beauty parlor kit also, worth some 1,500 rupees, where it has a scissors, the brush, the hair dryer and everything. Mehndi designing, sir. Hyderabadis, we have also Mehndi designing, so we provide that also. So there are many courses, so I have a good knowledge in this, sir. And at the same time, sir, the MIM party runs 2 hospitals. Sir, in that 2 hospitals, the teaching hospital. Sir, in collaboration with my trust and MIM's trust, in healthcare sector, sir, there is a dialysis technician, CT scan technician, MRI technician, respiratory therapist technician training is there. Then we have operation theater training, X-ray technician is there. Sir, I just want to bring to your kind notice through you to the government is that, sir, already the health university is providing such cases. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh, sir, NTR University was there, then later on it was named as Vyas, now in Andhra Pradesh. Sir, after the formation of Telangana, we have been repeatedly requesting the health university to start such courses. Sir, now what is happening is that, sir, what we need to take into consideration, and the important point is that, sir, a student does a graduation for 3 years. Now the question arises, the Government of India is saying that graduation studies has to be for 4 years. Now my question is, sir, when we are providing a skill development course, the duration has to be smaller. If it is a 3 years course or a 4 years course, the students are not enrolling themselves. So we have to look into this aspect also. This is a very important. Diploma courses are there, sir. They are too short. The problem arises is what, sir? There are many courses which are not recognized by the Government of India. And after, sir, Health University is also offering a course. They started, I went and I met the VC, I requested, gave a letter, then they said, sir, we'll start BSc Lab Technician, BSc MRI Technician, BSc CT Scan. The problem is, sir, 3 years he has to study. So 3 years become a very long period. And after the studying for 3 years, sir, the saddest part is that he has a degree and the degree is not recognized in the international world. Here the problem arises. Sir, we need to make sure that whatever degrees and whatever diplomas that we are going to give to these children, those diplomas and those degrees should be recognized by the international technical or technology or skill development boards. This is very important. This has not been done. And Honorable Speaker, sir, for your kind information, Government of India is also running such courses. And they are charging fees for that. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs. So what is happening, sir? A poor student is not able to pay the fees and do the courses. That is why what is happening is, sir, many of the hospitals, many of the colleges are giving an unrecognized skill training which is not recognized. With this skill university, we have to make sure that these courses are recognized. Sir, I also went to the Architecture Council, which is there just beside Technical Education Council, sir. Sir, there I went and I pursued and I spoke, and they were kind enough. They said, Akbar Sahab, we'll give you some courses. Like, sir, we have landscaping course. Landscaping is there. Sir, it's a very small. But the problem again there is, sir, for this landscaping diploma course, they are asking to study for 2 years. Interior designing is there. So there are many things, sir. So the problem which I am trying to raise through you and bring to the kind notice of the government is that already there are many centers which are offering such courses, sir. Like, sir, I am not against this bill. I am not against it. The reason for me demanding my party to be given to select committee is that, sir, we can have a more thorough discussion on that. Fine, we are having a discussion now, so I take this as an opportunity. Sir, already skill development courses are offered in different departments in the state. Now the question arises is that, what would be the fate of those courses which are being offered by different departments? Are you going to abolish that? Are you going to close that? Are you not going to give a single paisa to them? I'll give you an example. Like Department of College Education, Skill and Knowledge Centers are running, sir, many courses. Also previously in the name of Jawaharlal Nehru Technology Knowledge Center. Sir, crores of rupees are being given and spent. So are you going to stop this? Or are you going to continue this? This is the question, sir. Department of Youth Services. Sir,